Paradise and ground floor. You're excited for your first day of school?
A little bit.
Huh?
Little bit.
Little bit. Eat your food, okay?
I eat it, but I don't have to like it. Okay.
Good morning, and today it's today's Sunday, and it is Isabella's first face-to-face class. So today is her first day, and after over a year of online class. So are you excited?
A little bit.
Yes. So now we got up at 5:30 in the morning. So now I'm gonna prepare her lunch and snacks for school.
And for now, I'm only eating
Cereal and milk. So that is quick, no, in the morning. So now let's just quickly pack your food. So this is Isabella's lunch box. So all of her lunch box has a label on it, name. So everything it has label on it. So here I can put some grapes.
Hello, Mama.
Yes. I can quickly put some grapes here. This is her favorite actually.
And this one.
Yes, what is that? Hello Panda.
Wait, let me see this.
So she has 2 breaks today. One snacks and one snacks at 9:30, and lunch break at 12:30, I think.
Those are my lunch and this is my snack.
So this will be sufficient. This is sufficient for the snacks.
And this one.
Yes. So.
And I think this big one is for the ham.
And I can also give her an apple juice and some panda. And now I'm gonna cut some. So it has a 3 dividers. It's easy for me. So
if it's only one divider, it's gonna be very hard.
Yeah, because she has to bring, 3-4 boxes. So better give her like this. So I'm gonna cut some cucumber. She likes this also.
Yep. And also some broccoli.
She wants broccoli, but I don't have it right now. So later, after dropping her to school, so I'm gonna go to supermarket and pick up some broccoli, and then I'm gonna give her some bread. I'm using brown bread, so she's gonna have some of this.
I did good in my KG1, so hopefully I can do good in KG.
I can just cut into quarters, so it's easy to put in the box and easy for her to eat as well.
In my school, in online, in math, we learn quarters and halves.
Yes, and you have some activity this week as well about shapes, quarters, like that. So this is perfect. It's bread, cucumber, and she's gonna have some ham. This is also her favorite actually.
I eat it like in one day, and I finish it in one day.
So I give her some ham. How many do you want?
Any.
Okay, so I give her like around 4 pieces, like this one. This is the mortadella, chicken mortadella, but she also loves the chicken turkey, so that also I'll get later. So she has some snacks, because at school you should give your kids food that is easy to eat for them, because they don't have a long break. They have only short break, so you should give something very handy to eat, and you're not allowed to give some watery stuff, like which the one that leaks in the lunch box. So this is her lunch: cucumber, mortadella, chicken mortadella, and
Cucumber has water.
2 slices of bread. I have cut into quarters.
Cucumber has water, but there's no gaps in this. So.
Yeah, so this is will give her food. Can you give me your bag, please?
Okay.
It was hanging there. Come. So now, guys, this is Isabella's lunch bag. It matches on the lunch box. So now, okay, I give you something. Where's my...
Grape?
Yeah. So shall give her this. Okay, just use that. And your hand sanitizers in the side of your bag. Okay? And this is also for the grapes. I just put also. Okay, so that's enough. And then now, put it here inside the bed. And this, and this. And give me your thing, the other one. Napkin in the, this one here. Napkin there. In the cabinet. Cabinet, Bella?
Cabinet?
Yes, the pink, I think pink or yellow. On the first drawer. Fast na yan. Here's slow motion. So she can have this also, napkin cloth. Just in case she spill on the mouth or making dirty, so she could wipe herself. So I put here, okay? So this is what's inside her lunch box. It will be sufficient for 2 breaks. Actually, it's more than enough. Okay. So now, here you go. See, come here, come here, come here, please. Come, put that in your hand. See, it's okay. Mama will carry the bag. Hello guys, we are leaving now. And Isabella is all set. Bella, put your shoes please. Isabella. Isabella. Put your shoes on.
My shoes.
She's busy playing with her Roblox.
Oh yeah.
The pink one. No. Bella, I already put outside, right? You didn't see? Come now fast.
I have lots of suitcases here.
Now, so we're getting ready. We're going. I will drop her, and her class will finish by 2 o'clock, so I will not come home. I will just stay there. Maybe I'll just sit one of the malls, or I have actually another work to do. I'm gonna get something from supermarket. Let's see. She wants a broccoli, so I don't have a broccoli at home, so I might get one of broccoli. Girl, look at this girl. Come now, let's go. Open the door, baby. Because right now she doesn't have uniform, because actually the school has changed their uniform, so I need to get one for her.
It's so heavy.
It is so heavy? Okay, come on, let's go.
Where is that? Oh yeah, maybe in the...
Switch off the fan and everything?
Yep.
Yes, okay. So I'll just fix this later when I come home. I'm in a hurry. Water also is outside. Switch off. Gonna press. I think this is the one. Come na.
Oh yes. EB2, right?
No, ground floor. That is in ground floor. You're excited for your first day of school?
A little bit.
Huh? Little bit. Eat your food, okay?
I eat it, but I don't have to like it. Okay.
So this is our building reception. This is how it looks like here. So this is the reception, receiving area. This is the guard place. The guard just left. Maybe his duty is finished. And those are the elevators. And this is where is the CCTV?
Also, I usually go here to chicken people. I can see you were there.
Yeah, I know. Come na, let's go. And outside parking. We have also parking down, but we have 2 cars. One car is parking here in we call it catch-up parking, in the sandy place. There's traffic, guys. What? Yes, okay. Instead I was watching about that thing.
It's in no connection.
No connection. We've reached Isabella School. This is Isabella School. It's traffic in this area because in this area there are 3 schools. One Indian school, and the other one is, I think it is International School, and this is Isabella School. Her school is Jim's Legacy School. So here it is. We've reached Bella. This is Bella's school. This is her school. Thank you. Say hi. Say hi. This is her school. Are you excited? Why you want to see that? They're welcoming the students first day of face-to-face. Come. Grade 1 each?
Grade 1 each. Grade 1 each. Grade 1 each is this way, ma'am.
Thank you.
Along the corridor.
Thanks. Hey, you're in grade 1 each. I can believe it.
Mama, I don't know why, but I'm already eating this.
This is Bella's school.
I'm already, Mama.
Yes? What?
I don't know.
Excited for your first day?
Yes, and I'm so
What's that?
Oh, look at it. Looking so pretty. Isabella. Good morning.
What? I'm already here, guys. I'm going to pick up Isabella. Her class is finished, but they are not allowing to go inside the parents yet. yet because it should be 2 o'clock, but still not 2 o'clock yet. 10 minutes more. So those are the crowded. Where is it? So those are the crowded. I'm waiting here under the tree. So I have some shade. So those are the crowded, and I'm here under the tree. Pick her up from school. Look at this girl. Are you happy with your first day of school?
Yep, and also there was some things to do that we have to upload.
Do you have to upload?
No music.
We've reached home, and finally Isabella has enjoyed her class today. I couldn't able to take the video when I pick her up because it was actually quite late and we are in a hurry to come home, and now we're home. Now it's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
And remember the band-aid that Mama put? I'm removing right now because it's so
Yeah, so now guys, I have to clean the house because I didn't clean in the morning, so I have to clean and fed our pets here and change the beddings, and I have to prepare food also for dinner. So that's all for today guys. We have to end this vlog and it's getting longer. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
And also this will repeat again tomorrow.
And subscribe if you haven't yet, so you will be notified every time we have the
Video.
videos. Bye!